Imagine you stumble into a kitchen, sneeze on a keyboard, and suddenly a 5-course feast appears. That's basically how this story starts. A developer sent a tiny piece of code, and boom, people discovered a way to auto-generate scroll-style short videos. You're about to learn the silly, simple method that turned a random script into hundreds of free views in a day. No camera, no mic, just pure algorithmic magic. You know those moments when you're not even trying to be productive, and then boom, you trip over something that actually works? That's exactly how 10-second scroll traffic was born. Not from a mastermind plan, but from a happy little coding oops. Here's the setup. John sends a tiny script that was meant for something else, but the creators look at it and think, what if we use this over here? So you grab a free API key, add a page URL, paste the script into your browser search bar like you're summoning a digital genie. And then it happens. No camera, no mic. The script auto-creates a scroll-style short right in your browser. It's basically the lazy person's dream. Upload it, and platforms like YouTube and TikTok start pushing it like it's the last slice of pizza at a party. Views can show up fast, sometimes within hours. The whole discovery feels like finding a secret elevator behind a shelf in a bookstore. You weren't looking for it. It makes no sense. You don't need a film studio or a ring light. You basically need 3 things: a script, a free API key, and the ability to copy-paste without panicking. The creators didn't roll out a Hollywood production. Total effort, about 4 minutes. Result, roughly 678 views in 25 hours on YouTube Shorts. Even better, nearly 200 views came in the first 2 hours, and TikTok didn't sit this one out, pulling 118 views in minutes. This is perfect if you hate being on camera, avoid editing, or want a quick test traffic source for affiliate links or lead magnets. So if you've been waiting to feel ready, consider this your sign. Hop on the commuter train. Let the algorithm carry you across the city, one 10-second scroll at a time.